Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Mike from Mike in the Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back. I know it's been a few months, but I am back. And today I have a new recipe video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show everyone how to make these delicious, smoked, fall off the bone turkey drumsticks. It's a very easy dish to make. We're going to do this in the slow cooker. And just watch the video and let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients you need. We need Cajun seasoning, garlic butter seasoning, black pepper, injectable roasted garlic herb, and a whole onion. And obviously you need your smoked turkey drumsticks. You can buy this from your local supermarket, grocery store, wherever have you. Now, what I like to do, I like to place my turkey drumsticks in a foil pan, or you can place it on a plate. And we do this so we can sprinkle our ingredients on the drumsticks. Now I'm going to sprinkle my Cajun seasoning on the drumsticks, and I don't measure out the ingredients. I just sprinkle enough so we can get those drumsticks nice and covered. After I pat down the seasoning on the drumsticks, I like to flip the drumsticks, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to grab my garlic butter seasoning, and we're just going to do the same thing like we did with the previous ingredient. Flip the drumsticks around and repeat the process. Now we're going to grab the black pepper and we're going to sprinkle a little bit on each leg, and we're going to flip it and do the same thing. Now that our drumsticks are nice and seasoned, we're going to move on to the next step in the process. Now we're going to grab our injectable marinade, and we're going to stick the needle in the drumstick with our marinade, and we're going to inject the marinade every 1/4 inch on the drumstick. So every 1/4 inch on the drumstick, we're going to inject a marinade in. But one thing I want to tell you guys before you start doing this, make sure you read the instructions before you open up the marinade, because there's a couple things you need to do. Like, first you need to wash the needle, and then you need to lubricate the needle in vegetable oil or canola oil. But make sure you read the instructions fully before you start doing this. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put each drumstick on a nice long piece of foil paper, because what we're going to do, we're going to wrap this thing up tightly. Before we wrap the drumsticks up in the foil paper, we're going to cut up the onion and put slices of onion on top of each drumstick so we can get these drumsticks nice and flavorful. We want these to, have more flavor. We got a lot of ingredients on it, a lot of seasoning on it, but these onion slices, this is just going to make everything taste better. It tastes much more succulent, much more juicier. Now we're going to wrap each drumstick up tightly in the foil paper. We don't want any openings whatsoever. So wrap each drumstick up nice and tight so we can put these in the slow cooker and let them cook for a couple of hours. Now that we have our drumsticks wrapped up in foil paper, we're going to drop these in the slow cooker. Now before we place our turkey legs in the slow cooker, we're going to put 1 cup of water in there so they can cook properly. So make sure you place 1 cup of water in the slow cooker. Now we're going to place each of our turkey legs in the slow cooker, and we're going to set the temperature to low, and we're going to let them cook for 6 to 7 hours. Okay, so I let my turkey drumsticks cook for about 7 hours, and this is the end result. Don't they look good? Don't they look juicy? And I'm going to be honest, they're very, very tasty. Look how easily the meat falls apart. And this is how you want your smoked turkey drumsticks to be. This is very tasty, very succulent, and I know you're going to enjoy these. I enjoy these, so this is a very easy dish to make and very fun dish to make. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you tried this out, let me know how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the new subscribers I've been getting lately the past couple of weeks. I'm sorry that I've been MIA, but I am back. Let me know how this turns out for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Take care.